Hello everyone, hope you're doing fine. You're welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making this delicious puff puff. See how good it looks? If you're new to my channel, you're welcome, and please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification icon for more videos. Let's get started. In a bowl, I'm going to be adding 6 cups of flour, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, add a tablespoon of instant dry yeast. But if you're using other yeast which need proving, then you need to prove them before using them. A cup of sugar, which could be adjusted to your taste, but here I have a cup of sugar. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon, which is completely optional, or you could put other flavors. Mix everything together. Until everything is well incorporated. So here I have water, which I'll be adding in bits. It's lukewarm water. Like, it should be very comfortable. Water which you could use to bathe a baby. Very comfortable, like not hot, just lukewarm water. So I have 2 cups, and I'm going to be pouring a cup. Just to start with a cup. Then I'll mix this and make sure it's smooth. So the softer the dough, the better it is. But not too soft. See, I need more water. Mix, 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 mix. Still looks small, so I'll be adding another cup of water. Okay. No touching. I'm using a manual whisk to do this. After mixing for about 3 minutes, this is how the mixture looks. So it still looks like it needs more water, so I'm going to be adding water. Like I said, the softer the better. So I'm going to be adding like 3 tablespoons of water. Remember, I added 3 cups of water already, so it's now 3.5 tablespoons of water. So I'll mix 3 cups and 3 tablespoons of water. We're done mixing, and now we have to cover and allow to rise. So I'll cover, and I usually put this in my oven because it's hot. So I put on the oven for at least a minute and then put it off, and then put in this. Not too hot, just warm. So this goes into the oven. So guys, after 45 minutes, this is how it turned out. So it doubled, if not tripled. So it's time to start frying. See? So it has a nice brown color. It's time to take it out.